Any doubt to any student on the chapter trigonometry?
No doubt, sir.
Chali. So one or two case studies I'm going to discuss with you for trigonometry. Then we will move to the area related to circle. Switch on the cameras, all the students. Harmrit, Mohit, Pavan, Pratham, Simar, all the cameras should be on. So the first case study of trigonometry. A slide in a children park is inclined at an angle of 30 degree, which is comfortable for children. Now see, the slide is fixed on the ground. If this is the ground and this is the height of the slide, this is ground. All the cameras should be off. Still, it is not on. That's why I'm telling you. And this is the height from the ground, and this is the slide. I'm going to change the color of the, this is the slide. This is the slide. Let it be A, let it be B, let it be C. This is the slide and this is the height. Clear? So the kit will come from top to down. यहाँ ऐसे बचा आएगा. Now this is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with the ground. This is my question. This is all given in the question A part. If the height of the slide is 3 meter, so height is given 3 meter. Find the length of slide. I want to find out the length of slides. The options are 3 meter. Quickly, Pratham will solve. B. This is 3 under root 3 meter. Pratham will give me the answer of this question. 6 meter and under root 3 meter. Quickly. The second number is of Mohit. Pavanveer's camera off. Lavandeep's camera off. कैमरा आपका ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes, Pratham, what is the answer? Height is given 3. I want to find out the length of slide. I think Pratham is not. I feel I am not audible to him. And yeah, Arshita, switch on the camera. Ashit Verma. Ashita, switch on the cameras. No camera should be off today. Mohit, give me the answer.
Sir, 3 root 3.
3 root 3 is the answer given by Mohit, I think.
Pratham.
Pratham. Okay, let's see. 3 root 3. Anybody else, as per Mohit, answer is 3 root 3. Anybody else want to rectify? Now see, height is given. This is my question. He has given me the height as 3. This angle is 30. I want to find out the length. I know that the relation between height and length, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, so this is sine theta. So 3 by L is equal to sine 30. So 3 by L is equal to 1 by 2. So L is equal to 6 centimeter. So Mohit, I'm very sorry. Your answer, correct answer is C. And this is very bad that no one has
given this answer. So Pratham has given. I have not.
Okay. So Pratham, the answer is not correct. Where you have made mistake?
Sir, I multiplied wrong.
Okay. Switch on the cameras, those who have joined now. Now, the B part, the answer will be given by Mohit. Now, if the height of the slide is 3 meters, then the length of the base of the slide. Now, height is given 3 meters. I want to find out AB. That means length of base. Quickly. Find the length of base. Amritpreet Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Length of base.
सर अभी मैंने किया नहीं है 2 मिनट रुक जाओ.
Yes, Mohit.
So 1 minute first.
Sir, 3 root 3.
3 root 3. When you will find out the length of the base, the situation is like this. I want to find out this length of base AB. Height is given 3. I want to find out AB. Angle is given 30. So this is 3 by AB is equal to tan 30. Perpendicular over base, this is equal to tan 30. So 3 over AB is equal to 1 over under root 3, the value of tan 30. So AB is equal to 3 under root 3. So this is the correct answer. So therefore, length of the base is next is C part of the question. So this is the case studies questions. I'm just giving you a hint how the question will come for the case study. So Janvi Sahdev, this is for you. How much more should the height be raised? How much more should the height be raised for the angle of inclination of the slide to become 60 degree? At same point. So I want to raise. Raise means कि ये 30 degree का angle है. The situation is like this. See, this is my figure when the angle is given of 30 degrees. So let it be A, B, and C. This height is BC. This height BC. Height is 3 meter. So it is uh, now I want to find out. Now this angle becomes 60. This angle is now 60. I want to find out how much it should be raised. I want to get MC. This MC you want to get. Initial angle is 30. Next angle is 60. Theta 1, this is initial angle 30. Theta 2, this is the final angle 60. Hurry up. Now, the answer will be given to me by Janvi Sadi. Hurry up. Then Harshita. First, Janvi Sadi, then Harshita. Quickly. Giving you 2 minutes.
Sir, it will be 60.
Who is saying?
From me, Janvi.
Janvi. Saying, Janvi, how much? 16 or 60?
Sir, 60.
You are saying 60 meters should be the raise in height. This you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check. See, first I will find out the length of BC, because AB I have already calculated when the height is 3 meter. So actually, if the height is 3 meters, I will take it as a 3 meter. So BC is my 3. Now, in triangle ABM, ABM, BM over AB is equal to how much? 1060. So BM is equal to BC plus MC. So BC is 3, 3 plus MC, this is the value of BM. So AB we have already calculated 3 under root 3. यहाँ से हमने calculate कर ली AB. So this should be 1060. 1060 is under root 3. So which implies 3 plus MC. This is 3 under root 3 multiplied by root 3. 3 is to 3 to 3, 9. So which implies MC is equal to 9 minus 3. MC is equal to 6 centimeters. So beta, rise in the level when the angle is raised from 30 to 60, this is 6 meters. No problem, Janvi. At least you have tried. But there is no response from Harshita. This is very bad. Come to the next question. So you got the idea of this. Now, next case study.
Sir, from chapter 8 related to circle, we will have case studies only.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बेटा. There will be an MCQs also. Because central angle is given, you have to find out length of arc, you have to find out central angle, you have to find out area of the sector. Clear? So there are various questions in that. You have to find out the area of the minor segment or the major segment. कुछ भी आपको पूछा जा सकता है. So can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to that. One more case study, then I will move to area related to circle. This is case study 2 from trigonometry. So there are two pulleys. This is one pulley and there is another. This is ML. This is MR. This is MC. This angle is given 45. This angle is given 30. This length is given 20 under root 2 centimeter. 20 under root 2 centimeter. Let it be P. Let it be Q. This is R. Now, based on this, number one, find the value of RPQ. So RPQ, that means this is my R, this is P, this is Q. I want to get this value. Clear? I want to get this value. Now see, this is 45, this is 30. So complete angle is should be 180. Complete angle should be 180. Clear? So 45 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180. So that means 575 plus x is equal to 180. So x should be 180 minus 75. So this is equal to 105. So my this angle is 105. So I want to get RPQ. Quickly, who will give me the answer of this RPQ? Now see, this is parallel to this because these two pulleys are fixed at the same place. This is tied, although this is not the midpoint, but the point where it has tied, it's parallel to the line which joins the pulleys. So if this angle is of 30 degree, it should be 30 and this should be 45.
45.
I hope this is clear. So this must be 45. Second, the perpendicular distance of R from PQ. I want to get this perpendicular distance from the line PQ. That means I want to get this. Let be M. So I want to get RM. RM. Now because this angle is 45, so the side opposite to this angle must be perpendicular. So I'm going to take in triangle RPM. RPM. This is perpendicular. So perpendicular over hypotenuse, this is equal to sine theta. RM I want to get. Hypotenuse is given 20 under root 2. Theta is 45, so sine 45. So which implies R1 is equal to 20 under root 2 sine 45, 1 by under root 2, it goes. So the length of R1 is 20 centimeters. Now the distance between P and Q, I want to get this total distance. So first I will find out PM, then I will find out MQ, and then I will add. To find out PM, what I will do, first I will take in triangle RPM. So PM is my base, PR is the hypotenuse. So base over hypotenuse, this is cos theta. So base, I want to find out. Hypotenuse is 20 under root 2 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 over under root 2, cancel. PM is equal to 20 centimeter. The value of PM is 20. Now, in triangle RMQ, now see, this is R, this is M, this is Q. I want to get MQ. MQ is base. So, RM is known to me. RM is, I have calculated, this is 20. So, RM is 20. So, I will write RM over MQ. This is equal to tan 30. That means perpendicular over base. So the value of R1 is 20. The value of MQ, we don't know. Tan 30, this is 1 over under root 3. So MQ is equal to 20 under root 3. Now, PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. So the value of PM is 20. The value of this is 20 under root 3. Take 20 outside. 1 plus under root 3. This is the answer, centimeter. So you can substitute the value of under root 3 to get the answer. Otherwise, this is also fine. It all depends to what is given in the option. Any doubt up to this to any student? ये note करिए, then we'll move to the next. You have to find out the length of RQ. You have to find the length of RQ. Now, RM, this is given me 20. RQ, I want to find out. So perpendicular over hypotenuse, this is sine theta. My perpendicular is RM. My hypotenuse is RQ. Theta is 30. So RM is 20 over RQ. This is 1 by 2. RQ is equal to 40 centimeter. So in this way, the questions can be asked to you. Now, let's discuss the questions based on area related to circle. I hope everyone has noted. Still, if there anybody
Yes, noted.
noted, okay.
Noted the
Anybody who's
Noted,
anybody who's still noting? Oh, check. Now, area related to circle. MCQ. He's saying the number of revolutions. I want to find out number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius rolling a distance rolled 176 meters. Now see, this is a wheel. I want to calculate how many times it will roll to cover this distance of 176 meter. So first, let me find out distance rolled by this wheel in one revolution. This is 2 pi r. 2 is to 22 over 7. What should be the radius? This is 0.7. So this is 4.4 meter is the distance rolled by the wheel in one revolution. So total distance is this. I want to get number of revolutions. This is total distance traveled divided by distance traveled in one revolution. So which is equal to 176 upon 4.4. So you can solve it to get the number of revolutions. Forty revolutions are the answer. So this type of question can come. It's a simple question, but this formula is involved. This is the formula which is involved in solving this. Next is question 2 of area related to circle. The circumference of the circle is 100 centimeter. This is circumference of the circle. This is a circle. Hundred centimeters. The side of a square inscribed in the circle. I want to get the side of this square which is inscribed in the circle. I want to get the side of this square. First, let me find out the radius because I know that when these two diagonals of the square joins, where they intersect each other, that will be the center of the circle. So that means OC or OA or OD or OB are the radius. So let me find out the radius. Circumference is given, which implies 2 pi r, this is 100. And what should be the radius? This is 100 upon, which implies radius is equal to 50 upon pi. This is the radius of the circle. So which implies the length of OC so what should be the length of AC? Twice of OC. 2 is to 50 over pi, which is equal to 100 upon pi. This is the length of one diagonal. So we know that in square, both the diagonals are equal. Now, length of other diagonal BD. This is equal to 100 by pi. Why? Because in square, the length of the two diagonals are always equal. So I want to find out the side of the square. So area of square is equal to 1 by 2 is 2, product of diagonals. So which is 1 by 2. Product of diagonal is 100 by pi is 200 by pi. Now this area of a square also can be written as a side square. So what should be the value of side? This is 100 is to 100 upon 2 is to pi under root. So this is 100 upon under root 2 is to pi. This is the side of the square. So please do the calculation. This is, I can do it here. Side is equal to 100 multiply by under root 2 here, multiply by under root 2 in the denominator. ऊपर नीचे मैंने multiply कर दिया is to pi. So which implies 100 under root 2 upon 2 is to pi. So 2 is to this 50. So which implies 50 under root 2 upon pi. This is the answer. This will represents the side of the square. So which implies this is 50 under root 2 upon pi. This is the. So any doubt in this question? This is a good question, but still if you have any doubt, let me know. I hope it is clear to all the students who are present here, this question.
Yes, sir.
Great. Chaliye, we come to the next question. Last question maybe. A circle of diameter 42. This is a circle. The diameter of this circle is 42. This is the center. Let EB is the diameter. So radius is equal to 21 centimeter. If an arc subtend an angle 60 degree at the center, this angle is 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. So one boy was asking which type of questions will come. So these are the types of questions. So I want to get the value of CD, length of arc. So we know that length of arc is equal to 2 pi r theta upon 360. So which is 2 is to 22 over 7 because the value of pi is given to me. This is angle is 60 and the radius is 21 upon 360. So 7 is to 3. 21, 60. This is 6. This is 2. This is 10.
22.
So L is equal to 22 over 10, which implies length of arc is equal to 2.2 centimeter, which implies at the end you have to, although you have to take only, right? This is 2.2 centimeters. Two is to 22 over 7. The value of
Sir,
5.
mine is coming 22.
Let me see. The radius is 21. The theta is 60 upon 360. So this is 6. Yes. 2 is to 3 is to 7. Ah, yes. This is only 22, not 10 in it.
Yes.
So only 22. Length is equal to 22 centimeter. This is the exact calculation which I did. Yeah, so we'll continue with the area of related to circles tomorrow. Have a practice from NCRT and other reference books. If you have any doubt, please consult with me. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.